These 3 upgrades completely changed my 2026 Sea-Doo 325, and one of them should have come from the factory. Let's start with the first upgrade. This one makes no sense that it's not included. Upgrade number 1 is the OEM Sea-Doo boarding ladder, and somehow the 2026 325 doesn't come with one. The dealership wanted almost $500 to install this, but it literally takes about 10 to 15 minutes. It bolts right on, no drilling, nothing complicated, anyone can do this. And if you've ever tried climbing back on without one, you already know why this is a must. By the way, I'll link this below so you don't overpay at the dealership. My name's Kevin with Green Country Adventures, and this is my 2026 Sea-Doo 325 RXTX. Upgrade number 2 is easily my favorite, and it completely changes the entire riding experience. The stock speakers sound fine sitting still, but once you hit about 50 miles an hour, you can't hear anything. This setup from Jetworks fixes that completely. This is a full speaker and amplifier upgrade, and now I can clearly hear the music at 70, even 75 miles per hour. It hits around 108 decibels, and this is real audio, not edited. Install is more involved, but if you can follow steps, it's totally doable. This is the upgrade that makes people turn their heads when you go by. If you want this setup, I've got it linked below, and you can get it 10% off using my discount code ADVENTURETIME. Upgrade number 3 is the SCOM, and this unlocks the full potential of the 325. From the factory, these are limited to about 68 miles per hour. After installing the SCOM from Active Jet Sport, I was able to push it up to about 78 miles per hour. And it's not just top speed, it gets there faster too. If you bought this for performance, this is almost a must. I'll link the exact one I used below if you want to unlock the full speed. These are the first 3 upgrades I'd recommend to anyone with the 2026 Sea-Doo 325. Now, real quick, before you take your ski out, there's one more thing I highly recommend. If you're pulling up to docks at all, you need good bumpers. I made a full video on the best jet ski dock bumpers that actually protect your Sea-Doo and keep it from getting scratched up. Trust me, this is one of those things you don't think about until it's too late. I'll link that video right here. Definitely watch that next before your next ride. If this video helped you out, hit subscribe. I've got a lot more Sea-Doo content coming, and check out one of those videos next.